Well, Dr. Ruby Khong, I should say congratulations. And before you go any further, I would like to thank you for helping people in Malaysia. Thank you so much and being such an inspiration to everyone. Well, how does Bella Awards affect the women's society, and how does it help women to gain a strength and go after their dreams?
First, I'd like to thank NTV7 Dollar Awards for believing in me. And I hope I can repay your kindness of honoring me with this coveted award by expanding on the services of Kachara Soup Kitchen to serve even more of the destitute. And I hope that this award would actually inspire more people to step forth to serve others for the love of humankind in whichever capacity you're comfortable with, and championing your essential and necessary cause.
Thank you so much, Dr.